10 Countdown. Counting down the 10 biggest hits of the week.
Mga kabisyo, ayan, welcome sa Love Lounge, live na live on air and online. Sa Love Lounge, my love, nakikilala natin up close and personal ang ating mga favorite and most requested artist. At ngayong araw na to, may special guest tayo. Last time nakita ko lang siya dito sa building namin eh. Hindi kami nagkaroon ng chance magkausap. Pero ngayon, sasalohin ko siya. Ay nako, as described by Manila Bulletin. Ayan, i-quote ko sila. Our guest for today is born with the gift of effortlessly fusing melodies, naturally connecting with audiences of all shapes and sizes. Kaya naman, please welcome Live na Live sa Love Lounge, a true blue musician. Please welcome the man behind the hit songs Buko and Magkabilang Mundo. Ako na mismo yung nauutal dahil excited ako para dito. Please welcome sa Love Lounge, Mr. Jireh Lim. Hi!
Hi, good afternoon everyone sa mga nanonood and of course DJ, ang ulit name mo?
Lala.
DJ Lala. Ang dami nyo kasi.
Oo, dami talaga kami. Nako, kung kumpleto kami, kuyog ka. Well, anyway, welcome sa Love Radio and so happy to be doing this interview with you. I've been listening to your music way back nang nagsisimula pa lang ako sa radio, and now to have you as one of my guests is nakakatuwa. So how are you, Jireh?
I'm doing great. Kamusta?
Okay
medyo
naman.
Puyat pa pero it's okay.
Yeah, puyat.
I'm happy to be here.
Pareho kami dito puyat. Ganito talaga pag puyat, medyo, alam mo yung maganda yung boses. Charot. Pero ito, moving on, let's get close and personal with the one and only Jireh Lim. And on an interview, I'll just cite this one. You said kasi, madalas kang kinatanong, if you are not a musician, what would you be? Mm-hmm. I know your answer sa interview na to kasi I've read the interview. But for those kabisyo natin na na-miss yung interview na yun, hindi napakinggan, hindi nabasa, let me ask you again. Kung si Jireh Lim ay hindi singer, what would you be doing right now?
I'm not really sure. Sinagot ko ba yun dati?
Yes, sinagot mo siya sa interview and I love how you answered that sa interview.
Yeah, pero lagi ko naman sinasabi na if I wasn't a musician, I don't know what I would be, but whatever I'm doing, I'm not gonna be happy as I am right now kasi kung ito talaga yung parang ito yung talagang ito lang yung alam kong gawin na, I mean, feeling ko naman kaya ko naman gawin yung mga ginagawa ng iba, pero ito lang yung kaya kong gawin na alam ko na magugustuhan ko and mag-enjoy ako habang ginagawa ko.
Totoo. Alam mo, nakakatuwa kasi doon nung binasa ko yung interview na yon with you, Jireh. Totoo yung yung sinabi nila na ang pangit ng jack of all trades ka, a talent of everything, a master of nothing. But you kasi, sabi mo dun sa interview, this is something that you know you can share with passion to all your audience. And you owe it to them na mag-continue with what you do here.
Yes.
So, nakakatuwa yung interview na yun.
Sinabi ko ba yun?
Yes!
Hindi ko matandaan.
Nako, isasend ko sa'yo.
Sige.
Diba? Tapos, meron dito sa mga interviews na to, meron silang tanong na hindi kasi nasagot. So sabi dito, if you have a dream daw that you would want to come true today, what would it be? May dream pa ba ang isang Jireh Lim? That question wasn't answered sa interview.
Marami. Siyempre marami. Pero ang pinaka-dream ko, yung as a musician?
Yes.
As a musician, syempre, yung mga new stuff namin, yung mga new music, new sounds, is ma-appreciate ng tao. Yun lang. Kasi nag-explore ako ng bagong genre, ng bagong music, ng bagong instruments. And I'm still hoping na ma-appreciate siya ng mga tao. Yun lang yung dream ko ngayon sa album na to. And kasi sobrang dugot pawis yung ginawa namin dito, pati yung songwriting ko dito is talagang binuhos ko yung time ko dito para maging perfect yung lyrics and yung melody, and of course yung sound engineer namin talagang pinagpuyatan to ng mabuti, and of course yung Warner Music is sobrang all out sa project namin na to. So ang dream ko lang is, of course, ma-recognize ng mga tao yung effort na ginawa namin.
Alam niyo, nakakatawa kasi dun sa multiple interviews siya, huwag kayong maglala, nag-research ako ng malala. Sabi ni Jireh Lim na with this new sound and with this new songs na nilalabas niya, he went out of his comfort zone to explore his musicality. Nakakatawa yung ganun kasi some people will just stay doon sa comfort zone nila kasi that's where they are good at it. But with you kasi, you know you are good with music as a whole.
It took me a while actually kasi parang 10 years, almost 10 years na ako sa industry and nito ko lang ginawa. With the help of course na sound engineer namin and of course yung Warner Music. So para i-encourage nila ako na nakakatawa kasi doon. Kaya ako nagawa to. Fun fact lang. Nagbibigay ako ng mga 26 demos sa mga new songs. Yung mga bagong songs, yung mga songs na yon, siguro mga 24, 25 na songs is parang katulad lang din ng dati yung genre ko dati, yung acoustic, tapos pinapakinggan nila para kung yun yung gagawin namin sa album. And then meron akong pinarinig na isang kanta na parang hindi ako yung ito yung ginawa namin ngayon, yung mga bagong song. Ito yung parang sabi ko kay Brian noon. Brian, parang ito lang yung song na na hindi ako komportable. Alam mo yun, parang hindi bagay sa akin. Tapos nung pinarinig ko sa kanila, yun lang yung nagustuhan nila. So kaya nag-stick kami doon sa new genre na ginawa namin kasi parang sabi niya, Tol, ano ko ba? Bagay na bagay. Parang ganyan. So, doon nagsimula lahat.
I was listening to that song which, guys, you'll be able to hear later. Nakikinig ako doon sa bagong sound mo and it's great. It's
Thank you
really
very much.
great.
Thank you very much.
Kasi you'll never have imagined that Jireh Lim, who is great in acoustics, would be inclined with upbeat. O upbeat at medyo mapapabop talaga yung head mo.
Hindi ba ko rin yung boses ko ng konti. Alam mo yun, parang hindi... basta ang dami namin ginawa adjustments. Kaya yun lang yung inulit ko, yung dream ko. Sana ma-recognize.
Nako, they will appreciate it kasi maganda talaga siya. And sa totoo lang, kung kaya ko lang mag-iba-iba ng boses na hindi nakakairita. With you kasi it's great eh. With me, it's nakakairita. Pero dahil nga naman we are talking about the great vocals for quite some time now, let's put it to a test with a game we call dito sa Love Lounge as Sing Your Song. So Jireh, right now, of course, maraming mga taong gustong humingi ng sample sa'yo and I don't want you to tire your vocals out. So gagawin lang natin one-liners lang of each song that you have in mind. So ganito po ang gagawin natin. I'll be stating some mood or category, tapos on top of head ni Mr. Jireh Lim kung ano yung song na feeling niya would best describe the mood or the category for him personally, yun yung line ng song na kakantahin niya. So,
original?
Kahit original, kahit hindi.
Sige, tingnan
natin. So, tignan natin.
Sa album ko, lahat ng mood nandun eh.
Ayan, so, gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan para all feels, di ba, maramdaman namin. O sige, dyan sa album mo, give us something that will make you fall in love. Kahit one line.
We fall in love?
Yes.
Okay. Di makawala ang natarama. Teka lang, nakalimutan ko yung lyrics. Di makawala ang natarama, di ka na mapapantayan ng iba. Huwag magkalala, iingatan lang kita. Grabe naman yun.
Kung hindi ka na goosebumps doon, hindi ko alam bato ka, bato. So, next song natin, ito. Alam ko meron siya nito eh. Your Heartbreak Song.
Pwede ko bang kantahin yung hindi pa na-release? Ito yung next release namin next month. And ito rin yung pinaka-special na kanta sa akin sa album kasi talagang true story. Kahit na wala ka na, hindi pa rin ako hahanap ng iba. Wala nang higit pa sa iyong taglay na kagandahan. Kahit na malayo ka, sasanayin ko na lamang mag-isa. Hindi nawawala ang nadarama, gusto pa rin kita.
Grabe naman yan. Bakit ang lungkot? So, diba? Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng heartbreak song, that gives you the feels, no?
Yun talaga yung song. Kasi
Sometimes talaga, even when the person is no longer with you, hindi mo mapigilan yung sarili mo to fall in love with them still. Ang daming alam!
tapos, gabi, sobrang excited ako din sa song na yun next month kasi yun yung dapat i-release namin. And the way my sound engineer recorded it talagang pati siguro kung pinlay kung nasa Spotify na siya tapos kung ilang beses ko siya pinlay ng siguro mga 2,000 plays na ako doon. sana nasa Spotify na para alam mo 2,000 plays sa akin lang. So sobrang excited ako sa song na yun.
Oh, diba? Kasi may mga tao na ewan ko kasi I've met a lot of musicians and some of them would even say na I hate this song pero kinanta ko siya out of pinakanta sa akin. But with how you talked about your song, yung passion mo talaga at saka even you are a fan of your own song kasi you love the arrangement, you love the lyrics. It tells a lot about what type of a musician are you.
Tsaka yung song na yun, nung sinulat ko yun, ayaw ko rin marinig nung time na yun. Pero siyempre naka-move on na kaya maganda na siyang pakinggan. Alam mo yun?
Parang excited naman kami. Uy, by the way guys, sa page ni Jireh Lim, if you'll visit the page, almost every month naglalabas talaga
every
siya
month
ng mga
talaga.
songs.
Literally every month. Yeah.
Tapos meron siyang mga one-liner na from the songs na ginagawa niyang parang meme doon sa page niya, and it's funny how the people reacts to each line. Nagbabasa
Oo, yung mga status yan.
Diba?
Puro lyrics yun.
Oo, di ba? Nagbabasa talaga ako. Sabi ko sa inyo, research ako ngayon eh. So sige, for the last category, wag na naman natin pahirapan si Jireh. Ito na. Song that makes you pumped up. Kasi sabi nila, yung musician daw, whenever they perform or before they perform, meron silang song to pump them up. Do you have a song or habit like that? Yung tipong, kailangan ko ma-pump up, so kailangan kong pakinggan tong music na to para pagdating ko doon, game on.
Baliktad ako. Gusto ko, bago ako mag-perform, nasa isang kwarto lang na wala akong kasamang kumaga tahimik. Kasi palakaba ako, alam mo yun. Bago ko mag-perform, every performance ko, lagi akong kinakabahan talaga. So, gusto ko lang, chill lang akong ganyan. Tapos, walang music, walang kahit ano. Pwede mo akong kausapin, pero isang tanong, isang sagot lang ako sa'yo. Pero alam mo naman ng mga kabanda ko yun, tsaka ng tahimik lang kami. So, yun lang, wala akong pinapakinggan para at least focus ako dun sa Kasi, kaya ako kinakabahan kasi, syempre, hindi naman porket ulit yung ginagawa mo. Iba-iba yung crowd eh. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung i-please mo. The last night, iba yung crowd. Then the next day, hindi mo alam kung masusungit yung mga crowd na performan mo. So, yun yung pressure sa amin mga musicians.
Grabe, nape-pressure ka pa rin pala, no?
Every time. Kagabi nga lang, pinajam lang ako, kabadong. Kasi nanood ako ng gig ng sa 70s Bistro. So, syempre, nandun ako. Tapos, Jireh. Parang isang kanta lang. Grabe. Nanginginig yung tuot ko, kinakabahan ako.
Was that the one with Jimmy Bondoc or that's another?
Dati pa yun.
Ayun,
yun din yun. Grabe yun, sobra. Tapos pinakanta pa niya ako nung favorite ko kasi yung kanta niya na yun yung laging ko kinakanta sa karaoke. Tapos yun nga, tulad yung kagabi, original ko yung kakantahin ko, tapos sobrang kinabahan pa ako. Pero pag nasa stage na ako, wala na.
Actually ito, before ako mag-do ng interview, I've done countless of interviews.
Yes, di ba?
Pero every single time, kabado ako.
Kasi iba-iba yung tao. Yeah.
Totoo. Lalo na kapag yung musician, I listen the music too. Di ba, some people will get excited. Lalo akong kinakabahan. Kapag alam ko yung kanta ng musician or kinakanta ko yung kanta ng musician, mas kinakabahan ako. O dahil wala siya nung last, ibahin natin. Ito, song from your favorite artist of all time. One-liner. Meron ka bang favorite artist of all time? May it be international or local artist yan.
Of all time?
Of all time talaga. As in, when you say favorite, hindi siya mawawala.
Yes, this is Owl City. Yeah, ito yung sa akin. Kung walang Owl City, walang Jireh Lim. Alam mo yun?
Sila yung inspiration mo talaga?
Yes. Kung alam mo yung Firefly?
Yeah.
Yun, siya yung kumanta nun. So, yun yung, doon ako namulat sa music. Well, hindi naman sa namulat. Kumbaga, pag napakinggan ko yung mga songs niya, doon na. Ang gusto ko maging ganito. Gusto ko maging... Kasi siya yung nagpo-produce ng album niya eh. Lagi. Nagpo-record ng music. Siya rin nagsusulat ng song. So, sabi ko, I wanna be like him someday. Yun. So, ano bang kanta? Ang daming kanta niya eh.
One of your most favorite. Yung pinaka-tumatak sa'yo na kanta. Oh, napaisip siya.
Hindi, Vanilla Twilight. Stars kneel down to kiss you. I lie awake and miss you. Oh, you're having it. I'll think of you tonight. Ganun.
Aww. O, diba? Maraming salamat,
Thank you very much. Thank you.
For playing with us, for being a great sport.
Hindi ako ready doon sa last.
And for showing us your great vocals. Kahit hindi ka ready, yung hindi mo ready is the most ready I can be. So, wala tayong doon. Pero we have something for you. Ibibigay ko na to ng live. This is a little something from our team.
Grabe naman.
Ayan.
Thank you very much.
Kasi,
cash ba to?
Ha?
Cash?
Sana.
Bundle to. No, joke lang.
Kasi kung cash yan, kinuha ko na.
Hindi mabigay.
Hindi ko na ibibigay.
Thank you very much.
Ayan. Kasi si Jireh po ay health buff. And you like the beach. Nakikita kita nagsasurf. O diba, sabi ko sa'yo, nag-stock talaga ako eh. So, we created a health package para sa kanya.
Thank you very much.
And,
I really appreciate it.
At feeling ko mahilig ka sa mint kasi every single time nakikita kita with the gum.
Oo, kasi.
Ayan. Pero Jireh, before we let go of you so that you may rest, kasi sabi mo nga, puyat ka talaga. Please invite...
Okay lang, kahit hanggang mamaya pa tayo.
Yun. Tayo na lang po yung mag-jump sa labas. Please invite them sa release, lalo na next month with your favorite song dyan sa iyong upcoming album. And please invite them as well to like your socials. And if you have any events, please invite them as well.
Hi everyone. Ayun, I'm Jireh Lim and I have a new song called Masungit. It's from my album Sanay Na Ako Mag-Isa, and nakapag pang-5 single na to ng album is, and my first single was Aminin Mo Na, and then the second was Eto Na Naman Tayo, third Ayoko Masanay, fourth Pahina, then fifth ito, Masungit. And then the next is, it's gonna be next month. It's called Pulot. It means honey. Kasi honey yung pangalan nung girl na, na pinagsulatan ko nun. So, kaya yun. So, I'm really excited, guys. Sana mapakinggan yung mga new songs na ginawa namin and mga sinulat ko. And, ayun, I have Facebook. Search nyo lang Jireh Lim. Kung ano yung lalabas doon, yun na yun. And Instagram, @Jireh Lim. Yung Twitter ko na-hack eh. So, pero @Jireh Lim din. So, yun. Doon nyo rin makikita yung mga gigs and mga shows and mga guestings ko. So, yun. Hope to see you guys. And, ayun, ingat kayo palagi.
Yeah. Thank you, Jireh, for being with us. It's an honor and pleasure to have you sa booth namin. Maraming salamat for you and your music. Please don't stop. And this is a different version of Jireh Lim. I'm gonna play it for you para kayo mismo ay ma-convince na this is a different version of him, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I've been playing it on Spotify on repeat.
Wow.
Papunta dito. So, it's time for you to enjoy it as much as I do. Again, maraming salamat, Jireh Lim, for being with us.
Thank you for having me here.
Yan. At syempre mga kabisyo, ituloy-tuloy natin ang Lover Radio Countdown sa ating pagbabalik. But for now, I got a treat for you. This is something from the one and the only true blue musician, Mr. Jireh Lim. His latest called Masungit.